Welcome. Today we are going to look into dividing polynomials with remainders and at the same time having a missing term. So if you notice here in my numerator, my highest degree here is 3, so 2x cubed plus 6x squared, and we are missing x to the first term here. So we're going to see how to deal with such type of polynomial division. So first step first, I'm going to make my, you can call it broken rectangle or an upside down L, and I'm going to write my dividend inside, which is really my numerator, so 2x cubed plus 6x squared. I don't have the x term, so I'm just going to write it as plus 0x followed by plus 29, which is our constant. Then my divisor here is x plus 4, which is really your denominator. And so what we do is we take our first term of our divisor and we look into the first term of our dividend and see x times what term will give me a 2x cubed. Well, definitely I'm going to have a 2 here, so 2x squared times the x ends up giving me a 2x cubed. Okay, let me just make a little line here so we know that that's just the problem that we are solving. Then I need to multiply the 2x squared by the 4, so 4 times 2x squared gives me an 8x squared, and I align it underneath the 6x squared term. Now what we do is, just like in a regular division, you subtract. So you can really make a little parentheses here, meaning that the signs would change because you distribute, and this becomes a negative. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed gives me a 0. 6x squared minus x squared gives me a minus 2x squared. What you're going to do, you're going to bring down the 0x here. Okay. And now we repeat the same process. Take the x here and the first term here, negative 2x squared. So x times what term or number for me to get a negative 2x squared here? Well, I know that a minus 2x would give me, times the x would give me a minus 2x squared. And obviously I need to multiply the negative 2x by the 4 here. Negative 2x times 4 gives me a negative 8x. Same drill, subtract. Negative times a negative gives me a positive here. Negative times a negative gives me a positive here. Negative 2x squared plus 2x squared crosses out, I get a 0. And then 0x plus 8x, I end up with a plus 8x. I'm going to drop down my 29 plus 29. Okay, let's repeat this again. So I'm going to take x times some number, should give me 8x, and that will be a plus 8. So 8 times x is 8x, and then 8 times 4 is 32. Subtract. This is a negative, and negative times a positive is a negative. This crosses out, I get a 0. 29 minus 32 gives me a negative 3. So now we have a remainder of negative 3. And how do we rewrite this? Well, we will rewrite this as, I'll tell you, you can put it up here. So the answer is, this is really your quotient, 2x squared minus 2x plus 8. So 2x squared minus 2x plus 8, and the remainder is negative 3. So we're going to put a negative 3 over your divisor, x plus 4. And that's how we write the answer to a polynomial division with a remainder.